Hello everyone, let's unboxing, let's opening up. What is inside? Who knows? Sorry for the cat, so with me. What's inside? What's inside? Yes, Majorica earring. Oh, it's very hard. You can see. Sorry for the quality. It's very hard to do with the card. And also a bell. Yes, we see. New thing for mommy. You like it? Can you see? Okay. Wipe it off. Quizzy, please. Can you see pearls and the cat? What is the brand? The price. Also, can you see here? They say me too. Why? I have two. Yeah, I have two. Why? I only paid one. I have two. Oh, what? I only buy one and I have two and only pay one. But I have two. Quite strange. Can you see? The bad cat? Please go away. No, don't destroy everything. Bad cat. Can you see the pearls? Do you know Majorica? Please, please, go away. Go away. And the other one is I bought online, Beauty Bay. Can you see? This is makeup, okay? It's so difficult, yeah? I'm Attila. Can you see? Can you see the cat? We see one moment. This is a lot of money this time. €70 and 37 cents. Please wait until I finish. What I bought, can you see? I'll show you. Can you see? Very cute. It's from Anna Sui. It's a lipstick, matte lip color, pink. I love pink color. Next, it's a case, okay? I love Anna Sui Cosmetics. And I bought this palette. Can you see? Let's open it up. What inside? Nothing. This is magnetic. You can put here your a shadow or lipstick or something like that. It's very cute. And the last but not the least, can you see Doraemon? He's so cute. It's a cat, like Wheezy, but Wheezy is a bad cat. Can you see? Can you see Doraemon face? Let's open it up. Oh, so cute. Can you see? It's very hard. Focus, please. Focus. No, Whiz. Please don't do it. He's still now this. Okay. Let's see everything with the cat. Why? Why you destroyed this video? We see. Why? No way. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.